Hello all, in this video I am going to tell you 5 important topics in JavaScript: variables, arrays, functions, objects and loops. Create a variable to store your store name. Create an array containing at least 5 grocery item names. Create an object representing a customer with properties name, string, balance, number, cart, empty to start with. Write a function called add to cart item that takes an item name as an argument, pushes it to the customer's cart array. Use a loop to add grocery items from your grocery list to the customer's cart. Finally, log the store name, customer's name, and items in there. Here are steps with details. A variable. Create a variable store name that stores the name of your name as a string. Example: Freshmart. Array. Create an array called grocery list that contains at least 5 items. Examples: apples, milk, bread, eggs. Object. Create an object called customer with these properties. Name. Customer's name as a string. Example: John. Balance. Amount of money the customer has. Number. Example: 500. Cart. An empty array. This hold purchased items. Function. Create a function add to cart item that takes an item as an argument, pushes that item into the customer.cart array. Loop. Use a for loop to go through each item in grocery list and call add to cart item for each one. And this output will be use console.log to display the store name, the customer's name, all the items in the customer's cart. You can log the array directly or join them with commas. If you want, you can also give bonus challenge. Make the function check if the item already exists in the cart before adding it. That way no duplicates will come. In this video we have been learned variables, function, loop, string manipulation, array processing. So now we will go for variables. So as you know, create a variable called names that stores an array of at least 5 full names as strings. Example: Alice Johnson. Function. Write a function called reverse name that takes name as input string, reverse the letters in the name, returns the reserved name. Loop. Use a for loop to go through each name in the names array and call reverse name for each. Print both the original and reverse name. And then the fourth one is string manipulation. Inside the loop, also calculate how many characters are in each name and log the result. And finally, array processing. Create a new array called short names containing only names that we have less than 10 characters total, excluding spaces. And as we wrote all these 5 things in the program, we can get the final output as log the list of reverse names, the list of short names. If you want, you can also write the exact working solution so you can directly use it. So now this program is for name reverser and word counter. So in this you have learned the variables, function, loop, string manipulation, array processing, and the final output. And now we'll go to the next one. So as we know that in JavaScript we have learned 5 things: variables, functions, strings, arrays, loops. So now we'll go for one by one. Variables. As we know that how to create a variable. So create a variable that as name, store name, that stores the name of your store. And array, you already know that how to create an array. So create an array with the name grocery list. Example: apples, milk, etc. Object. Create an object called customer with these properties: name, balance, cart. So function. Create a function add to cart that takes an item as an argument, pushes that item into the customer. Finally, loop. Use a for loop to go through each item in grocery list and call add to cart for each one. As you know the output how to write. Use console.log empty parenthesis to display the store. As all of you know that the output will be console.log empty parentheses to display. So here we display the store name and the customer name and the all items in the customer's cart. You can log the array directly or join them with the commerce. So this is the final output for this program, and thank you all for giving this opportunity. So thank you.